Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to control the brightness of LED using our Arduino and shift resistor 74HC595 in Proteus simulation. Let us see the first components required. First we will need an Arduino Uno, which acts as an open source microcontroller board based on Atmega 328 microcontroller. And next we will need a shift resistor 74HC595, which acts as a shift register, which allows us to expand the number of input-output pins one can use from Arduino or any microcontroller. Next, we will need a resistor, which acts as a resistance of 220 ohms to limit the current to the LEDs. And lastly, we will need LEDs whose brightness is to be controlled using Arduino and the shift resistor. So, this is a pin diagram of the shift resistor and circuit diagram. As you can see here, I have made one small change from the previous video. Here I have connected the output enable pin to the Arduino. In previous circuit diagram or previous video, the output enable pin was connected to the ground. So the input to the output enable pin was low, showing that the output pins were working in normal stage. Now since I have connected it to the Arduino, now I can vary the input to the output enable pin and control their brightness. Now we will see how we can do that using our Arduino code. Now first of all, we have initialized the pins of the shift register with Arduino. The latch pin is connected to the digital pin 5 of Arduino, and the clock pin is connected to digital pin 6 of Arduino, and the data pin is connected to digital pins 4 of Arduino. And the output enable pin or OE pin of the shift register is connected to PWM pin 3. Now as we saw in the previous video, the LED bytes holds the pattern of which the LEDs are currently turned on or off. In the void setup, we have again set each of the pins as output pins, and the loop we are going to control the brightness. First we will set the brightness of the LED to full. This is 225. Next we update the shift register, and then after a delay we are going to turn all the LEDs on one by one. So after that is done, we are going to control the brightness by fading each of the LEDs using this loop. So this set brightness function, as you can see here, sets the brightness of the LED by controlling the input to the output enable pin, and it generates a PWM. So you are using analog write. So using analog write, it gives an analog input to the output enable pin, and hence the brightness of the LED is controlled. In the update shift register, as we saw earlier, this function sets the latch pin to low and then calls the Arduino function shift out to shift out contents of the variable LED in the shift register before putting the latch pin high again. So this is the code on how to control the brightness of an LED using shift register. Now let us first compile. So now we will copy this hex file and paste it in this program file. Okay, and now we simulate. As you can see, the LEDs are turning on one by one. And after all the LEDs have turned on, you will be able to see how the brightness of the LED changes. See, as you can see here, the brightness is changing. It's a bit fast here, and in the simulation we are not exactly able to see the brightness, but the LEDs are constantly shifting from high brightness to low brightness, and then they're fading in and fading out. So this was our simulation on how to control the brightness of an LED using shift register 74HC595 and Arduino Uno. Thank you.